Oil's rocketing higher. Have we priced in already the full implications of if this process continues, you get to 100, you get beyond 100, where do the cracks start to appear?
We certainly can go higher from here, right? We've already seen higher prices. Yes, we have some mitigating factors. But at the start of the week, we knew that Hormuz shipping was essentially shut down. You had threats to oil infrastructure. That's very bad. And then on top of that, you have an additional threat to a choke point this week. Iran-backed Houthis have threatened Saudi Arabian supply. If you're thinking about physical supply right now, where oil demand is relatively inelastic at the front, if you have more disruptions, you could see a rapidly higher price there if you're no longer able to go through that strait.
Super resilient market. And while we always see perturbations here or there, regional perturbations, which we're seeing now, this isn't a market that moves quickly because you have to make orders for aircraft well in advance. And we think that the demand is set for our aircraft going forward.
The world has changed. There are many threats. We have to provide our customers and governments with new means of facing those threats, and this means accelerating in new developments, accelerating in new technologies, and accelerating in delivery of what we have already in our hands.
But I think that could have a bigger effect on stock markets via anticipation of what central banks may do over the coming weeks and months.
Moving on from crude to gas, the outlook there for Asia and Europe, how do you think competition between these two regions for the available stocks of gas, how is that going to play out in the summer and then into the winter then, Samantha?
Europe and China and Japan and Korea all need to build their storage of natural gas ahead of the winter. So I think we're going to have to face some competition for cargoes. Gas is the input of a lot of chemical processes. Europe's going to have high energy prices for the foreseeable future, and a lot of our suppliers are energy intensive. So you have a supply environment in Europe which is going to be challenged for years to come.